Hello guys, I'm back now for my third segment in my cooking session galore. And now we'll come up to my product. Okay, here is it. This is my product. The name of this menu is a combined egg with potato menu for my lunch meal. So I will escape the white rice for now. Not for now, but most of the times. Okay, like this. Sorry for my vlogging that kept on interrupted because my mobile phones are too low battery. Too low bat. Very weak. It cannot catch for a long time. It cannot sustain for a long time duration of vlogging. Okay, sorry for that. And now I'm starting to eat now. Okay. Hello guys. Eat na po tayo. Let's eat with my new discovered, again, combined egg potato menu. Actually, this is only very, very basic. Anybody can do this, even a child. Okay? So this is only frying because as I said earlier, I have no talent in cooking. But I want to have another style of vlogging. And then later on, maybe I can study for finding other menus in the future. Who knows? I can master this. Okay? Because perfect. Because practice makes perfect. Okay, like that. Thank you so much, guys. Babush! Mwah! God bless everybody. This is I Am a Singer, Eternal Voice, Sotero. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless everybody.